Thank you, Mr. Mirza. It's always lovely listening to you. We now welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Om Prakash Gupta. Mr. O.P. Gupta is a retired IPS officer who dedicated over 3 decades to serving in the police department. Notably, he held the position of Inspector General of Police in the State Intelligence Branch from 2009 to 2017, during which he addressed issues related to left-wing extremism, specifically the Naxalite movement, with master's and MBA degrees, and he brings extensive experience in administration, criminal investigation, and intelligence collection to his endeavors. He has also authored 2 books, Arrest, All You Need to Know About, and The Red Rage, Naxalite Maoist Movement. Let's extend our heartfelt gratitude and welcome Mr. Om Prakash Gupta on stage, and to felicitate Mr. Gupta, may we please invite Mr. Sanjay Banerjee. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now for the much awaited Literary Awards 2024 to 2025. As we have all been waiting for the past few months, we have romance, crime, thriller, mystery, study and reference guides and submissions of all genres from across the country pouring in with nominations. From an overall application of a whopping 2,137 entries, we have 77 finalists and awardees in various categories. Starting off with the first award of the day, may we please invite Mr. Pranav Gupta to felicitate our first set of awardees. Please put your hands together for Mr. Pranav Gupta. First off, we have Mr. Arnab Basu for the title Pseudo-Ecotourism in the Shadow of the Bengal Tiger in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year. We have Mr. Arnab Basu Once again, we have Mr. Arnab Basu for the title Pseudo-Ecotourism in the Shadow of the Bengal Tiger, Non-Fiction Book of the Year. Next up, we have Arun Kotha for the title Kurukshetra Anusmaraniya in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. May we please have the round of applauses for all our awardees. Next up, we have Dr. Aurobindo Ghosh for the title Bimla Dadi's Dream in the category Fiction Book of the Year. We have Avanti Desai for the title Just Like Therapy in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Next up, we have Aisha Ali Sultana for the title 2024 in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Bashari Chakraborty for the title My Slice of the Sky in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Next up, we have Bijoy Itcheria for the title Click Snapshot in Verse for the in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Biren Shashmal for the title The Razor and the White Lotus, a novel of love and longing in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Up next, we have Dr. Jawahar Surisetti for the title 2047 Fictional Stories of Future India in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Next up, we have Dr. Binoy Gupta for the title Around the World in $5 in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. To take the award, we have his nephew, Mr. Vishal Gupta. We have Dr. Binoy Gupta once again for the title 10 Ancient Hindu Temples of India in the category Best Author Non-Fiction. Up next, we have Dr. Deepa Mitra for the title Divine Dawnings, the Saga of Ramayana in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Dr. Tinni Datta for the title Tips on Counseling for College Students in the category Reference Book of the Year. Next up, we have Dr. Paramita Mukherjee Malik for the title The Sun Through My Wine Glass in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Geetha Ramesh for the title Divine Will in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Next up, we have Geeta Rastogi Gitanjali for the title Bholu's Colorful Rainbow in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. I suppose Ms. Geeta is not present with us. Thank you, Mr. Pranav Gupta. Thanks a lot. A huge round of applause for Mr. Pranav Gupta. Up next, we have our guest of honor, Mr. Shahenshah Mirza, for the next felicitation. Please put your hands together for Mr. Shahenshah Mirza. We have Kamalika Bhattacharya for the title Ink and Embers in the category Poet of the Year. Moving on, we have Karthik Batra for the title Starfinity in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Up next, we have Kea Hatkar for the title Dancing on My Wheels in the category Young Adult Author of the Year.
সামনে থেকে খালি করা bro.
Up next, we have Shipra Morekar for the title Icy Comets takes Girl to Space in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Up next, we have Kumud Verma for the title Adhyapan Ka Indradhanush in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Up next, we have Meera Shivshankar for the title Raga Malika in the category Best Contributor in an Anthology. Up next, we have Menka Shivdasani for the title Brazil 1980 to 2017 in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Mitrajit Bishwas for the title India Without Gandhi in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. We have Muhammad Amil for the title Shadows of Hope in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Up next, we have Monjula De for the title Little Pip and the Crystal Heart Adventure in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Next up, we have Mukta Jangam for the title At the End of Something Beautiful in the category Poet of the Year. Next up, we have Nishir Gothendas for the title Travel Tales Beyond Gate 47B in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Up next, we have Nitish Sinha for the title A Buddha in the Study in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Thank you so much, Mr. Mirzai. You may please take your seat. For the next set of felicitation, may we please invite Mr. Om Prakash Gupta on stage with a huge round of applause, please. Starting off with Nivedita Bareli for the title Hope, Strength and Love in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Philip Isukapati for the title My Love with Poesy, Wonderland of Words in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Prodipta Soni for the title Lost Homes, The Untold Stories in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Followed up, we have Purbasha Ghosh for the title Anatomy of a Half-Truth in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Up next, we have Rajiv Kumar Dubey for the title Gita Suggests Kartavya in the category Poet of the Year. Next up, we have Rimanshu Bansal Juju's Pearls for the title Momsy Popsy Diary 2.0 Reimagining Life's Tapestry in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Up next, we have Reeth Miglani for the title A Plea to the Crow in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Next up, we have Rhodesia for the title Soulful 100 Poems on Love, Faith and Life in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Ridhima Sen for the title Hues of Exuberance in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. We have Rishabh Dubey in the category for the title The Creedious Verses in the category Poet of the Year. We have Rokam Kameshwara Rao for the title Inner Vision in the category Poet of the Year. Do we have Rokam here? Moving on, we have Ruhail Chaudhary for the title Darkness Unveiled in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Thanks a lot, Mr. Gupta. A huge round of applause for Mr. Gupta. For the last set of awardees, may we please invite Dr. Professor Shaujanya Puri on stage with a huge round of applause. First up, we have Samragini Roy for the title The Wizard of Festival Lighting, the incredible story of Sridhar Das in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Up next, we have Sanjay Banerjee for the title The Mountaineering Handbook, Essential Knowledge, Skills and Techniques in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year. May we please have a round of applause for our awardees. Thank you. Next up, we have Sayam Jain for the title Catalogue of Us in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Up next, we have Shiv Prasad Nath for the title Pranay in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Followed up, we have Spondan Ganguly for the title Exploring Uncharted Vietnam in the category Sueno's Book of the Year in Non-Fiction. Once again, Spondan Ganguly for the title Love, the Destiny to Pain in the category Poet of the Year. Please put your hands together for Spondan. Next up, we have Shupratim Roy Chaudhary for the title Swamiji O Netaji Shongo Proshongo in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Up next, we have Swaroop Kumar Dalai for the title Waltzing Hearts in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Next up, we have Ms. Swati Chopra for the title The Mosaic, a collection of poems in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Vedant Parekh for the title The Devil Forest in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. To receive the award, we may have a member of Bree Books, Harsh Anand, on stage. Next up, we have Vikas Kumar Goel for the title Way of God in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Next up, we have Zia Marshall for the title From Breaking to Blooming in the category Poet of the Year. Thank you so much, Dr. Puri. We have a few authors who are not present with us here today, but we are going to celebrate them. May we please we will take their names. Indrajit Mani for the title The Conquest of Kailash in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Savita Singh for the title The Magic Lift Meeting the Rani in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Arnesh Garg for the title Beyond Limits, A Little Belief is All They Need in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Ishrat Ali Nawaz Lalji, The Dog That Ran in Circles from Stories from India Volume 4 in the category Best Contributor in an Anthology. Dr. Renuka KP for the title A Collection of Fictional Poems in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Ms. Bhanu Bhardwaj for the title The Yellow in My Soul in the category Poet of the Year. Dr. Subhash Vai Pawar for the title Whisper of Destiny in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Raghu Palat and Pushpa Palat for the title The Case That Shook the Empire in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Sushant Rajput for the title I Wish Someone Told Me This Before My First Job in the category Reference Book of the Year. K.B. Kumar for the title Kill to Thrill in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year. Dr. Himali Joshi for Sai Tunes in the category Reference Book of the Year. Dr. Ramkrishna Rao Muthiala for the title Geography of Ramayana in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Sandeep Kumar Mishra for the title Revisiting a Broken House in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Gaurav Das Gupta for the title Jhalmuri Embracing Life's Unpredictable Flavors in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Dr. Sridevi K.J. Sharmirajan for the title To Enchantment Tales 30 Mystical Adventures from Tamil Nadu in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Karthik Ahuja for the title Whisper of Eternity in the category Svenos Author 40 Under 40. Kiran Kumar Singh for the title 18 Tales of Romance, Adventure, Suspense and Humor in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Ketaki Mazumdar for the title Toasted Orange Embers for the category Poet of the Year. Dhruv Amit Sarkar for the title Whisper of Deceit, Secrets Unraveled in Shadows for the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Miss Priya for the title My Teacher, My Lifeline, Sonnets by Rose in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Professor Rajeshwar Prasad for the title Righteousness in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Manmohan Sadhna for Rise of Sumo Story in the anthology Born to Thrive for the category Best Contributor in an Anthology. Once again, Mr. Manmohan Sadhna for the title Mythology in the category Golden Quill Award. And lastly, we have Simran Sadhna for the title Itihas in the category Svenos Book of the Year. May we have a huge round of applause for all the awardees today. We will have a photo session of all the awardees. Please take your awards and we will have a photo session at our selfie booth.